the birthday party. So a story is very short story, and it's all about the birthday party. So I hope you can learn pronunciation tricks here, vocabulary, as well as if you are an English learner at the same time. But if you're here to improve your pronunciation as well, then welcome, and I hope you found this useful, particularly this birthday party story, which is all about, yeah. So it's about one of the most interesting stories, and I hope you found them useful. Here we go. The birthday party. Emma could hardly sleep the night before her birthday. She was turning 12 years old, and she had been looking forward to her birthday party weeks. She had invited all her closest friends, and they were going to celebrate in her garden with Emma. Woke up on Saturday morning. The sun was shining brightly through her window. She sat up in bed and smiled. It was finally her special day. As she walked down the stairs, she noticed colourful balloons hanging from the ceiling. There was a large birthday banner on the wall that read, "Happy birthday, Emma." "Happy birthday," her parents shouted together. Emma laughed and hugged them. "Thank you. This is amazing," she said. After breakfast, Emma helped her parents prepare for the party. They cleaned the garden, arranged chairs and tables, and decorated everything with ribbons and flowers. Her mother baked large chocolate cake covered with strawberries, while her father set up speakers for music. By early afternoon, everything was ready. At 3 o'clock, the doorbell rang. It was it. It's my first guest, Emma exclaimed. Soon, more friends arrived. They brought colourful gifts, packed and wrapped presents. Emma greeted each friend with a smile. Her best friend, Lily, handed her a small box. "Happy birthday, Emma." "I hope you liked it." "Thank you, Lily," Emma replied. Before opening presents, everyone went into the garden to play games. They played treasure hunts, relay races, and a game where players had to balance a spoon with a small ball on it while running. The children laughed loudly whenever someone dropped the ball. After the games, they sat down for snacks. There were sandwiches, crisp fruit biscuits, and lemonade. Everyone chatted and enjoyed the warm afternoon. Suddenly, a strong wind began to blow. The ribbons twittered, and the balloons moved from side to side. Emma looked up at the sky. The bright blue sky was slowly turning grey. "I don't like the look of those clouds," said Emma's father. A few minutes later, thunder rumbled in the distance, then came the rain. At first, only a few drops fell, but within a moment, heavy rain poured from the sky. "Oh no!" cried Emma. The children quickly grabbed their plates and ran towards the house. Some were laughing while others screamed playfully as they tried to avoid getting wet. Inside the house, Emma sat quietly. For a moment, she had imagined a perfect garden party, and now the weather had ruined it. Seeing her disappointment, Lily sat beside her. Don't worry, she said. We are all still here. We can still have fun. Emma smiled slightly. Then her father clapped his hands. I have an idea, he announced. Let's turn the living room on into a party room. Everyone immediately became excited. The furniture was moved aside to create more space. The children played charades, musical status, board games. They danced to their favourite songs. Even organised a small talent show. One child all jokes, another performed magic tricks, and Lily sang beautiful song. Soon Emma forgot all about the rain. The house was filled with the laughter and happy voices. As evening approached, Emma's mother appeared carrying the birthday cake. The children cheered loudly. The cake looked delicious. 12 candles flicked on top. The lights were turned off, and everyone began singing, Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, Emma, or happy birthday, dear Emma. Happy birthday to you. Emma closed her eyes and made a wish. Then she blew out all 12 candles in one breath. Everyone applauded. After enjoying the cake, Emma opened her presents. She received books, art, supplies, puzzles, and a beautiful necklace from her grandparents. As the party came to an end, Emma thanked each friend for coming. We had so much fun, Lily said as she left. I'm glad you came, Emma replied. That night, Emma lay in the bed thinking about the day. The party had not gone exactly as planned. The rain had changed everything, but she realized something important. The best part of a birthday party was not the decorations, the games, or even the cake. It was spending time with people who cared about her. With a smile on her face, Emma closed her eyes and fell asleep already, looking forward to next year's celebration. The end. Important vocabulary. Here are the important vocabulary. Excited, very happy, and looking forward to something. To celebrate, to do something special for happy occasion. Decorate, to make place look more beautiful for an event. Banner, a long piece of cloth or paper with a message written on it. Arrange, to put things in the correct order or place. Guest, person invited to an event or party. Wrap, a present, to cover a gift with a paper. Treasure hunt, a game where people search for hidden objects. Relay race, a team running game where players take turns. Rumble, a deep low sound like thunder in the distance. Disappointed, unhappy because something did not happen as expected. Thunder, the loud something during a storm. Pour is the rain when its rain falls heavily. Charades. Charades, guessing game using actions without speaking. Talent show, a performance where people show skills, singing, dancing, etc. Applaud, to clap hands to show happiness or approval. A flicker or flicker, small quick movement of light like candle flames. Wish, something you hope will happen in the future. Memory, something you remember from the past. Attitude, the way you think and feel about something. Well, guys, that's the end of the story and the end of the vocabulary. I hope you found this useful. And if you do so, please let me know in the comment section below. And also, you will get the PDF of this episode's story in the description below.